Hey, y'all, you're going to love what we're making today because it's a pound cake, an easy pound cake, and it's from my friend Shelly Pay's best friend, Diane Wright. So, Diane sent me a note, and she said that every time she serves this, people want the recipe. So she said, I've tried making different flavors, and this has been one of my favorites, the one I'm going to share with y'all today. You can make this pound cake with any combination of cake mix and coconut pecan frosting. You mix the frosting right into the batter. Some of my favorites are butter flavored yellow cake mix, butter pecan cake mix, and chocolate. And surprisingly, orange cake mix. So they all sound good. So all we're going to need is a butter pecan cake mix, the coconut pecan frosting, a cup of milk, 4 eggs, 3/4 a cup of oil, and that is it, y'all. So let's get going. We're going to start by mixing the cake mix with the eggs and the milk. And the oil. And you know, anytime you're putting the oil in a cake, you know it's going to be good and moist. So I was real interested when Diane got this recipe to me. Like I said, it just sounds like one of those easy, delicious recipes. So here we go. All right, I beat that with my hand mixer for about 2 minutes. And now we're going to take our frosting and I'm going to fold it in to the cake mix. What is it, Lulu? What is it, little girl? I think you've already had what you're begging for today, hadn't you?
Yes.
I thought that. So we're just going to fold this in. I guess if you wanted to, you could add more nuts to this batter, you know, to really give it a little more crunch. Okay, that looks like it's mixed in there good. It smells like butter, and it smells like pecans. I'm excited. Now we want to spray our pan. And I'm using a spray that has the flour mixed in because that's a surefire way to make sure your cake comes out. Because believe me, I have had some cakes that I couldn't get out with a chisel. So you live and learn. All right, let's see. Oh, and I want to mention that September the 30th is Diane's birthday. So Diane, please let me be the first one to wish you a happy birthday on September the 30th. I don't know how old you are, but, or how young you are, let's say that. These glass bowls are heavy, y'all, but I like for you to be able to see in the bowl that we're doing our mixing in. Okay. Just make sure that's even. And it's ready to go. 350 for approximately 1 hour. All right, Diane. The truth of the moment. I can look at it and tell it's just going to be delicious. Now, all this is very heavy. The cake pan is extremely heavy. Come on, don't do me wrong. Don't do me wrong. Oh, Diane, happy birthday, girl. September the 30th. Wow. Look at that. Look at that cake. Wow. You know, Diane, I can't wait. You got my attention with the orange cake mix. I think the idea of a citrusy pound cake would be wonderful. Look at that. Diane, hush your mouth.
Yeah, she's not here to have birthday
I
cake.
know. But we'll celebrate your birthday and eat your birthday cake too. Y'all come taste. Oh, it's still warm. This is so delicious. Do you know what it tastes like? It's got the flavor of a German chocolate cake. Diane, happy birthday. September the 30th is your day, and I'm eating your cake. Love and best dishes to you all. Thank you, Shelley.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.